What makes a car iconic? Is it the roar of the engine, the sleek lines of the body, or the way it makes you feel when you're behind the wheel? For the past 17 years, the Nissan GT-R has been all of these things and more. A car that wasn't just ahead of its time, but revolutionized what we thought was possible on the road. But as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end, or perhaps make way for something even greater. Today, we're going to explore what the future holds for Nissan's legendary GT-R and how the next generation might just blend tradition with innovation in ways we've never seen before. Picture it. The year was 2007, and Nissan unveiled a beast, a car that didn't just compete with supercars, but often left them in the dust. The GT-R was a marvel of engineering, featuring an advanced all-wheel drive system that seemed heavy on paper, but translated to breathtaking speed and precision on the road. It wasn't just fast, it was ferociously fast. With cutting-edge technology and a design that turned heads, the GT-R quickly earned the nickname Godzilla, a fitting title for something so monstrous yet controlled. But now, as we prepare to bid farewell to the current model, all eyes are on what comes next. Recently, Matthew Weaver, an award-winning designer and vice president of design for Nissan in Europe, dropped some tantalizing hints about the future of the GT-R. In an interview with Top Gear, Weaver suggested that the next generation of this iconic car will incorporate elements inspired by Godzilla itself. But what does that mean exactly? While the statement is somewhat cryptic, it offers several key insights into what we can expect from the next chapter in the GT-R saga. Weaver emphasized one crucial point. When it comes to the GT-R, some things must remain constant. The customers and fan base need to recognize it as a GT-R, he said. In other words, while innovation is essential, so too is tradition. This next iteration of the GT-R won't be a complete departure from what we've come to love. Instead, it will be a careful evolution, a design that respects the past while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The GT-R has always been about performance above all else. It has to perform in each area: aerodynamics, speed, and handling, Weaver explained. These elements will undoubtedly dictate the design of the next model. The GT-R was never about winning beauty contests. It was about being the fastest, the most capable, the best at what it does. This dedication to function over form is what made the GT-R a legend, and it's what will guide the design of its successor. But what about those Godzilla elements? Weaver hinted that these might manifest in more dramatic ways, perhaps in the car's speed, downforce, or cornering abilities. Yet, don't be surprised if you see familiar features too, like the iconic round tail lights or sharp, slanted headlights. As long as these elements serve the car's functionality, they'll likely remain, forming a bridge between the new and the old. These are the details that will connect the next GT-R to its illustrious past, ensuring that while it moves forward, it never forgets where it came from. The upcoming GT-R promises to be a masterful blend of tradition and innovation. It will honor its heritage while setting new standards for performance and design. So get ready for a car that doesn't just look to the future, but takes it by storm. A car that continues the legacy of Godzilla in a way that's both familiar and entirely new. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.